Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I recently had the opportunity to try out the Renpho eye massager with remote control and heat, compression Bluetooth, music eye massage mask, and was blown away by how relaxing and effective it was. First off, the eye massager is very easy to use. Simply put on and adjust the strap to fit comfortably and use the remote control to select your preferred massage mode. There are 5 different modes to choose from, each one providing a unique massage experience. My personal favorite was the sleep mode, which combines heat and gentle pressure to help you relax and fall asleep more easily. The addition of Bluetooth connectivity is a nice touch as it allows you to listen to your favorite music or audiobooks while you are enjoying your massage. The sound quality is surprisingly good and it's a great way to unwind after a long day. But the real star of the show here is the massage itself. The Renpho eye massager uses a combination of heat, compression, and vibration to relieve eye strain, reduce dark circles and eye bags, and improve sleep quality. I could feel the tension melting away from my eyes and forehead as soon as I put it on, and after just a few minutes, I felt more relaxed and refreshed than I had in days. Built-in heating pads provide soothing heat temperatures between 104 to 107 degrees Fahrenheit, good to relieve your eye strain, eye puffiness, dry eyes, and dark circles. It also helps promote the absorption of eye cream and enhance your eye skin elasticity. The massager can be USB charged and folded 180 degrees into a clamshell design for easy transport, so you can enjoy eye relax in the office, traveling, or anywhere you want. Just experience a soothing eye massage with music relaxation to reduce stress and allow for a better night's sleep. Listen to built-in soothing tracks of heated eye massager or connect Bluetooth to play. The eye massager for dark circles boasts a sleek gradient design. It can be USB charged and last up to 2 hours under a full charge. I get migraines and headache as well as eye fatigue from looking at the computer screen all day. These are so soothing. I have been trying to focus more on self-care, and these are great to relax at the end of a long day work. The music is relaxing and the heat along with the massage is literally the best combo ever. You can carry in on the plane while making long trips. I'm a fan of heat and pressure mode. This massager put pressure on the temple area of the head, just hits you with the most relaxing mode. It's comfortable to wear and I can even use this while I'm laying comfortably on my side. I like to use this right before bed as a way to wind down. It instantly relaxes me and makes it so easy to fall asleep immediately afterwards. I find that it does help my headaches. I sometimes just leave it on my forehead instead of over my head. I like the compression on my temples. Now come to the cons. When the airbags expands, it is definitely noisy even with the music at full volume. This is unavoidable given the proximity to your ears and because sound transmits through bone conduction. I did not find it distracting and was still able to relax. Some might find it too loud to relax though. There's a slight escape or glitch in the music sometimes. Once you notice it, you cannot hear it. Again, not distracting for me, but might really annoy other people. Features I wish it had are I wish you could choose certain massage moves to repeat versus just the standard pattern set. There are a couple that felt like magic that I wanted to put on repeat. I wish there were a couple of timer options versus just 15 minutes. Overall, I would highly recommend the Renpho eye massager to anyone looking to relieve eye strain, reduce dark circles and eye bags, and improve sleep quality. It's easy to use, effective, and a great way to treat yourself to some much needed relaxation. So that's all. If you have any question about this product or want to know more about other products, write in the comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.